Sell smart, stress less. Experience a seamless home sale with Nanda Realty, where you can sell your property without the hassle of agent fees or costly repairs. Our all-cash buying service is designed to make the process quick and efficient for California home sellers. If you're looking to sell your home in its current condition, Nanda Realty is your go-to solution. At Nanda Realty, we understand that selling a home can be stressful and time-consuming. That's why we offer a straightforward, no-strings-attached approach. We buy houses as is, meaning you won't need to spend time or money on repairs or renovations. Our team is committed to providing a transparent and convenient selling experience, allowing you to move on to your next chapter with ease. One of the standout features of our service is the elimination of agent fees. With Nanda Realty, there's no need to worry about paying commissions, saving you thousands of dollars. Our process is fast and efficient, with the ability to close in as little as 10 days. This quick turnaround ensures that you can access your funds promptly, giving you the flexibility to proceed with your future plans without delay. If you're ready to sell your California home without the headaches, contact Nanda Realty today. Our dedicated team is here to guide you through every step of the process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free transaction. Call 61989 or visit nandarealty.com to learn more about how we can help you achieve your home selling goals.